Do you want to learn the GST invoice? Watch this video till the end. Once you complete watching this video, you will become expert in GST invoicing. Then you download the PDF file in description. You practice on your own. If you have any doubt and questions, please comment below. I will reply for that. Hi everyone. Welcome to Unnati Pro Academy. Let us start the session now. Hi friends. Today let us learn about sales invoice with multiple GST rates. Let us start. Go to vouchers, press enter. See, here we have payment voucher. So we can change it by clicking over here or pressing F8. See, now it has been changed to sales. Now we have to select a customer account here. Let us create one new customer account. Go to create, press enter. Here enter Shubham sales. Press enter. Press enter. Select sundry debtors. Always customer account should be grouped under sundry debtors. And maintain balance bill by bill. For the time being, keep it no. We will discuss in the later. Here just enter address if you have the customer address. Press enter. You can select the state. Press enter. Enter PIN code number. Press enter. If you have customer bank detail, you can enter it. I will keep it no. If you have customer PAN number, you can enter it. I will keep it blank. Here the registration type, keep it regular. Here you press GST number of the customer. If the GST number you entered is wrong, you will get the display like this. So you have to correct the GST number and press enter. Press enter to accept this. Now press enter. If you have any dispatch details, you can enter it. Else keep it blank. And here also, if you have any additional detail, you can fill it or come down by pressing enter. Now here you have to select sales ledger. Sales ledger is not there in the list of the ledger, so we have to create it. Go to create, press enter. Here you type sales account. Press enter. Press enter. The sales account should be grouped under sales account. Select sales account. Press enter. Type of ledger, keep it not applicable. Here also not applicable, you keep it. Here I'll keep it no. Press enter. Just press enter to accept this. Yeah, here we can enter the items now. Just press spacebar. When you press the spacebar, you will get the list of items here. Let us create one new item here. Go to create. Press enter. I will type iPhone here. Press enter. Let it be primary here and select numbers for the units and GST applicability. Let it be applicable. Here you select specify details here. Here you type HSN code of the item. Press enter. Here you select specify detail here. Press enter. Taxability type let it be taxable. Here IGST I will enter 18%. It will get split into CGST and SGST equally. Here you select goods and come down, press enter to accept here. After creating the item, it will ask for quantity. You enter the quantity here. You enter the rate. You will get the amount automatically. Then press enter. Let it be as it is. Come down and let us press spacebar again. You will get the list of the item. Let us create one more item here. Go to create. Press enter. Here let us type keyboard. Press enter. Let it be primary here. Here let us select the unit as numbers. Press enter. Here keep it applicable. Press enter. Select specify detail here. Enter the HSN code of the product. Press enter. Select specify detail here. Keep it taxable, the taxability type, and press enter. Here IGST I will enter 12%. So it will get split into equally between CGST and SGST. Come down, select goods here, come down and press enter to accept this. Then you have to enter the quantity here and enter the amount. The total amount comes automatically here. Press enter, press enter. Just keep all these as it is. Come down. Press enter. Press enter once again. Now we have to select the discount allowed account here, but it is not there in the list. So let us create here. Go to create. Press enter. Type discount allowed. Press enter. Select indirect expenses. Always discount allowed account should be grouped under indirect expenses. Here select not applicable. Come down. Press enter to accept. And here we have to enter the rate of the discount. So here we have to enter with minus 5%. Always we have to enter the discount with minus. So it will be deducted from the total amount. Press enter. Press space bar. Here we have to select CGST. But CGST account is not there in the list. Let us create it here. Go to create. Press enter. Type CGST. CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax. Press enter. Select duties and taxes. Always tax account should be grouped under duties and taxes. Select GST here. Select CGST here. Come down and press enter to accept. See, automatically the CGST amount has appeared here. Press enter, press spacebar, select SGST, but the account is not there. Let us create as it is. Go to create, press enter, type SGST. Here it is, state goods and service tax. Press enter. Duties and taxes, it should be grouped under. Select GST, the tax type, and select SGST. Press enter. Come down. Press enter to accept it. Now, both CGST and SGST appeared automatically. Press enter. Come to an end. Press enter to come to an end. And if you have any narrations, you can enter it. Or if you have any additional details like waybill, dispatch details, you can enter it here. If you have any narration, enter it here. And then come to an end. Press enter to accept it. Now the sales invoice has been saved. If you want to see it again, press page up key. You can retrieve the invoice again. So go to print. Press enter. Go to preview. This is the invoice format. You can zoom it by clicking here. Yeah, this is the invoice, GST invoice. Here you can see the customer address and items and HSN code, quantity, rate of each item and the amount of each item. Come down. You can see the GST, total GST and total CGST and SGST separately. You can see it here. And come down. For each item we had different rate of GST. That is 18% for iPhone and 12% for keyboard. That is shown separately in the invoice. So this is the invoice format. Come back by pressing escape key. Escape. You will come back. Press escape. You will come back to invoice. So friends, this is how we can enter the invoice with multiple GST rates and discounts. So let us go back to main menu by pressing escape key. Here let us go to display more reports. Press enter. Go to accounts book. Go to ledger. Press enter. Select sales account. We can see the sales amount here. Whatever we are entered is appeared here. And we can select the different ledger account by pressing F4 or clicking it over here. You can select Shubham sales. Press enter. See, we can see the total sales including GST is appearing here. Total invoice amount is appearing here by debiting customer account. So let us go back pressing escape key. Yeah, this is the main menu. Yeah, this is how you can see the reports even. Thank you, friends. If you find this video is helpful, please like it and share with your friends. Subscribe this channel for more and more videos like this. Friends, thank you once again. Let us meet in the next video with some interesting chapters like this.